In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels. Gmail labels are a great feature that helps you organize your inbox effectively, making it easier to find and manage your emails. So, whether you're completely new to Gmail or just looking to improve your email organization, this tutorial will guide you through the process of creating, managing, and using Gmail labels efficiently. Let's start by opening up your Gmail account. Once you're signed in and in your inbox, you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll notice several options like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. To begin with labels, scroll down in this left-hand panel until you see the More option. Click on it, and this will expand the menu to show additional options, including Create New Label. Clicking on Create New Label will bring up a dialog box where you can input your new label's name. So, go ahead and think of a label name that suits the category of emails you'd like to organize, such as work, family, or travel. Once you've decided on a name, type it into the Please Enter a New Label Name field. If you want this label to be nested under an existing label, check the box labeled Nest Label under, and choose the parent label from the drop-down menu. Otherwise, you can leave it as a standalone label. Hit Create, and just like that, you've created a new label. Next up is how to apply labels to your emails. To do this, open an email you'd like to categorize. On the top toolbar above the email, you'll see an icon that looks like a tag. That's your label button. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showing the list of labels you've created. Simply check the box next to the label you want to apply, and then click Apply. If you wish to add a new label on the fly, you can type the name in the search bar at the top, and choose Create New to add it to the list. You can also label multiple emails at once by selecting the checkboxes next to those emails in your inbox and then repeating the same steps. This is a huge time saver if you're organizing a lot of emails at once. Besides, Gmail allows you to color code your labels to make them visually distinctive. Hover over the label name in the left panel, click the three-dot menu icon, and hover over Label Color. Choose from the existing colors or create a custom one to make your label pop. With your labels set up and your emails organized, you'll find it a breeze to keep track of everything. Just click on your labels from the left panel whenever you want to find emails under a particular category. And that's it. You've just learned how to effectively use Gmail labels. With this tool, your Gmail inbox will not only be more organized, but you'll also improve your productivity by quickly finding what you need. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!